Hi, this is Rock. We're going to talk about the functions for year, month, and day. So here's what it looks like. When you start to type year, this returns the year of a date. So let's put in date here. The serial number, we can guess a date here as 421 and try that. And that's for 2014. So if I want to do month, I can put in another serial number, and let's say 43015, and that month is 10, which is October. And then let's do a day, enter a serial number. I'm going to say 43203 or 293, and that day is 12. So I've got three different serial numbers in here, and they've indicated what the year is and what the month and what the day is. How can you use this and apply this? Let's say I've got a date of January 26th of 2026. And now I'm going to have this plus rand between, let's say, negative 100 and 100. So 100 days before and after this date that's above there. And then I can do this and copy that down. And I've got a bunch of random dates here that are all driven by each other here, randomly greater than or less than. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to select this, copy it, paste the values. I pasted the values. I don't want to do that. Let me undo that for a second. Because what I want is to have the format be dates. Okay, so it is. What I want is to see what the serial number is, because these use the serial number. Let's see if it works for year if I just do a reference to the date and not a serial number. So I'm going to try here equals year, and I'm going to click on this, and let's see what happens. It does get it. So that's nice that you don't have to have the serial number. You can use a date that looks like a date. So here we go. If I copy this down, you can see it's got the dates here, the year. Let's try month. And you see when I hit enter or tab out of a cell, Excel is recalculating these random numbers. So I'll go ahead and paste the values of all this. Copy, paste the values, and it still works. So let's do this. I'm going to copy this all the way down. Some of these are 2026, some of these are 2025, and we've even got a 2024 in here. But if we look at month, if I use this month function and give this same reference, that's month 1 because it's January. But as I copy it down, you see it changes the month. I'll copy it all the way down there, and so we now have the months there, and then the day. I use the day function, which says this. It asks for a serial number, close the parentheses. I'll copy this down. So we've got the month, day, and year broken out. So that's how year, month, and day functions work in Excel. Next, we're going to look at days and days 360. See you then.